oil scent. Let's see. It's apparently it's a milk. Okay, so it's slightly creamy. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerardo and I love hair. Today I bring you my first impression on a new leave-in, so let's get into it. So this is the Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, the Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. It says here that it instantly moisturizes with exotic shine, softens and detangles, define curls and controls frizz. It's free of petroleum, sulfates, and mineral oil. So you apply it after cleansing. Distribute it evenly through hair with fingers from roots to ends. Do not rinse, style as desired. So yeah, basically that's it. It says here that it nourishes your curls with our moisture recovery leave-in curl milk infused with argan oil from Morocco. Quench dry, dehydrated curls with extreme moisture for soft, frizz-free, manageable hair. Use this hydrating leave-in daily to melt away tangles and renew curls with exotic shine. So basically that's one of the main reasons I wanted the leave-in, because usually I'm looking for something that is hydrating and moisturizing at the same time, and apparently this does both things. So we'll see. So let's just jump right in. See the smell. Oh. Don't you hate it when the hair pokes you in your eye? Let's see. Yeah, it's a very familiar scent. It's very probably it's because it's the scent of the brand. You know that I use the Creme of Nature argan oil heat protector and smooth shine polisher at the end of all my styling. Running out of it, but this will still last me for a long time, and I've been using this for more than a year now. So, but yeah, it just has the same smell. It's very sweet. I suppose that's their signature argan oil scent. Let's see. Apparently it's a milk. Okay, so it's slightly creamy. Slightly creamy. Yeah, it's nice. I think a little bit will go a long way. It's very smooth in my hands. Let's see how it feels in my hair. I'm just gonna apply it in this section. Just I think I'll need a lot more. Yeah, that was very little for this amount of hair. Oh, it's very fragrant. If you're looking for a product that is fragrant, this might be it. But let's see if it actually does what it proposed. Because one of the many things that I want from my leave-in is to give a good sleep, that my hair smooths out very easily. So let's see, let's try and detangle, because my hair is pretty much detangled from the shower. Let's just detangle this. Let's see how smooth I can get it. Oh yeah, look at it. It's just sliding through. I remember I used to put leave-in individually in little sections as I go through my styling, but lately I've been maybe because of my hair is so long, I'm doing it on larger section of hairs like this one, like just half of my head immediately, and then I do the other half and I just go in and style. But yeah, it does give a nice lip, and there are no tangles, so my hair is detangled completely. So we'll see in the end how it turns out. I'm gonna style my hair just like I normally do with my Bioland curl defining cream. I also have a first impression of this. You can see and get it. I don't know if you can get this in the United States or in Europe. In Latin America, it's a very common brand in Latin America. So, and it's a nice brand. I'm with it. I still have to do a complete review on that one, and I'm gonna be using the EcoStyle Argan Oil gel. So I also make a review of this, so I'm gonna leave the link here. So those are the things that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I feel like my hair, like especially in the ends, you know, the ends tend to, maybe I'm using too much. But because I have never used it and I need to test it. I saw the ingredient list, and there are a few things that caught my attention, like perfume. If I don't misremember, it's around the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the ingredient list, 6 down in the ingredient list. So it does show that it's very fragrant, and I hope this fragrance doesn't create any buildup in my hair or cause some irritation on the scalp. I also see that it has some artificial coloring. I don't like artificial colorings on my products, but you cannot bypass all artificial colors in many of these type of products unless they're very clean and organic, completely organic products. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my whole head, and I'll be back and I'll give you my final thoughts on this. It's not gonna be one of those videos where I'm gonna give you a whole thing. It's just my initial reaction to this. So I'll be back.
So I completely lost the audio of this last clip. But before I continue, I have to mention that yes, I'm doing a first impression on the Crème of Nature Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk, and that I have styled my hair with a styling cream and a gel. I'm not being sponsored by any of these brands, and I simply bring to you my consumer perspective, and I will pair different products together because of my styling routine. So here I am showing you my results and how my curls are looking. Sometimes pairing the products work, sometimes they don't. In this time I feel like they do. I was very impressed on how bouncy and soft my hair is. Also on how extremely defined and virtually frizz-free my hair ended up being. For what it is, I really like the interaction of the products I'm using right now, and I look forward to look at the ingredients of the leave-in in depth and to use it more, to have it form a proper opinion on the product. Which reminds me, I still have to upload my full review on the Bioland curling cream that I'm using, so stay tuned for that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more of my content, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Remember, you can follow me all across social media at Panacurls, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye!